In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix side button or power button not working on iPhone. Let's get started. First, start by removing your phone case. Sometimes dust or pressure from the case can block the side button from working properly. Once removed, clean around the power button area carefully and check if it responds now. If it still does not work, try restarting your iPhone using the software option. You can navigate to Settings, go to General. Now scroll all the way down, click on Shutdown, slide to Power Off, wait for a few minutes, then turn it back again. You can also use the charging cable if the physical button is not working to turn it back. Next, click on the option Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset all settings and complete this process. This will not delete your personal data, it will only reset system settings. Next, scroll up and click on Software Update. If any new updates are available for your iOS, just update it, as software bugs can sometimes cause button issues. After updating, test your power button again. If it still does not work, the problem may be hardware related. In that case, it's best to contact Apple support or visit an authorized Apple store for repair. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.